Hi there, welcome back again. So in this video we are given these two equations and we are asked to solve for x and y. Now the first step we're going to take is multiplying our first equation by y squared. So this is going to give us xy cubed plus 24y squared is equals to, now on the right hand side, when you multiply x cubed all over y, the y as the denominator is going to cancel our y on the numerator and we're left with x cubed y. So we're going to name that equation 1. Now again we're going to bring down the second equation from our question, which is xy minus 6 is equals to y cubed all over x, and again multiply it by x raised to the power of 2, that is x squared. So just like the other one, on the right hand side the x is going to cancel one of the x. So on the left hand side here we have x cubed y minus 6x squared is equals to y cubed x. So we're going to name this equation 2. Now the next step we're going to take is adding equation 1 and 2. So we're going to write them down. We have our equation 1, xy cubed plus 24y squared is equals to x cubed y. Then our second equation we have x cubed y minus 6x squared is equals to y cubed x. Now when we add these two equations, starting from the right hand side we have, starting from the left hand side we have xy cubed plus x cubed y plus 24y squared then minus 6x squared is equals to, then over to the right hand side we have x cubed y plus y cubed x. Now when you look at this equation, we are going to see that we have x y cubed plus x cubed y on both sides of the equation, so they can cancel each other. So when they cancel each other, we'll be left with 24y squared minus 6x squared is equals to 0. Now we are going to try making x the subject of the formula. So how do we do this? We add negative 24y squared to both sides of our equation. So this is going to give us minus 6x squared is equals to minus 24y squared. Now obviously the minus is going to cancel the minus. Now to solve for x squared, we are going to divide both sides by 6. So when we divide both sides by 6, we'll be left with x squared is equals to 4y squared. Now 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, so we can write the left hand side as 2y all raised to the power of 2. So we have our x squared is equals to 2y all raised to the power of 2. Now using the laws of indices, the two powers can cancel, that is 2 can cancel 2, and we'll be left with x is equals to 2y. Now this equation is kind of important because we are going to use it in our final stage of this question. So again we are going to bring down our equation 2 from the question, that is the second equation we got from the question, that is xy minus 6 is equals to y cubed all over x, and this time we substitute the value of our x, which is 2y. So when we substitute that, we're left with 2y multiplied by y minus 6 is equals to y cubed all over 2y. Now on the right hand side, the y, that is 2y, y is going to cancel one of the y above and we're left with just y squared. So this is going to give us 2y squared minus 6 is equals to y squared all over 2. Now the next step we're going to try do is cross multiplying, that is multiplying both sides by 2. So this is going to give us 4y squared minus 12 is equals to y squared. Now we're going to collect like terms. So when we collect like terms, we're left with 4y squared minus y squared is equals to 12. Now 4y squared minus y squared is going to give us 3y squared. So we have 3y squared equals to 12. Now to solve for y squared, we are going to divide both sides by 3. So we have our y squared is equals to 4. Now so to solve for our y, finally we are going to square both sides. So finally we have that our y is equals to plus or minus 2. Now In order to solve for x, now remember we said x is equals to 2y. So when we bring that down here, we have x equals to 2y. Then when our y is equals to minus 2, our x is going to be equals to minus 4. And when our y is equals to plus 2, our x is going to be equals to plus 4. So finally we have the values of our x and y is equals to minus 2, 4 and plus 2, 4. Thanks for watching.